We have new data out on where home prices are headed. We also have a new report on the state of the government's home loan modification program. The question is it having an impact on helping troubled homeowners? CNBC's Diana Olick joins us from Washington with more. Diana?
Well, Dennis, the new number is 650,000 borrowers now in trial modifications, 134,000 of those in California alone. Now, you remember, this is the $50 billion program that partners lenders with the government to get borrowers down to an affordable monthly payment. What this report does not show is how many of these modifications are failing.
The success rate is going to be less than the total modification numbers would show, because this is still a work in progress on the loan modification program. And the bottom line will be that they need modifications that go beyond the HAMP program, and they've got to go back to the drawing board a little bit to make this thing work as well as possible.
Now, the report also calls out the lenders. Saxon Mortgage doing the best with 44% of eligible borrowers in trial mod. Citi Mortgage next with 40%. But Bank of America still only 14% of eligible borrowers in trial modifications. Now, stabilizing home prices are helping these modifications. The National Association of Realtors today reports the median price of a single-family home fell 11.2% from a year ago. Distressed properties now accounting for nearly one-third of all sales. 80% of metro areas showed home price declines, just 30 cities with price gains. The realtors are citing the first-time homebuyer tax credit as driving an 11% quarterly surge in sales. And, of course, as we know, that tax credit was extended through April. We'll see how that juices the numbers in the coming months. Michelle?
Diana, the more than 600,000 that have been modified, do we know, did they break it down at all? How many of them just got lower interest rates? How many of them got, let's say, a 50-year mortgage instead of a 30-year mortgage? And how many got actual principal reduction, which you know how I feel about that?
No. The answer to all of that is no. The Treasury has been very basic in these reports, giving us simply, they tell us how many of the banks are doing, how well the banks are doing. They list, 10, 20, 30 banks in there, but they don't tell us anything about the modifications. And my beef is that they don't tell you who's getting the permanent mod and who is falling out of the program.
Yeah, transparency would be great. Thank you, Diana.